8th standard students. Today we'll discuss about the lesson mensuration. Coming to the worksheet 6 questions. Question number 9. The volume of a metallic cylindrical pipe is 748 centimeter cube. Its length is 14 centimeter and its external radius is 9 centimeter. Find its thickness. Okay, so the first, write the solution. Shape, it is a cylinder. Whatever is given, write it first. Volume is equal to 748 centimeter cube. The length means the height is 14 centimeter. Then external radius, that means outer radius R1 is equal to 9 centimeter. Find the thickness. Already I have mentioned this type of sums. So if there is a outer cylinder, inner cylinder, this is the thickness, isn't it? पतला सा जो उसका जितना झाड़ा है, the tube, that is the thickness. So outer cylinder, that is the outer radius, inner cylinder, that is the inner radius. So to find out the thickness, first we have to find out the inner radius. Already you have learnt in the examples. So volume of the metallic pipe is equal to volume of the outer cylinder minus the volume of the inner cylinder. So keep it in mind. The volume of the metallic pipe is equal to volume of outer cylinder minus the volume of inner cylinder. Now put the formula pi r1 squared h minus pi r2 squared h. Now pi h, in both pi h is common, take it out, and r1 squared minus r2 squared. Now put the values. Volume, how much it is given? 748 is equal to 22 by 7 into h is how much? 14. In the bracket, it will be pi, the r1 squared, r is 9, r1 is 9 squared minus r2 squared. Okay, now you can cancel here also, otherwise take it to the other side. 748 into denominator goes to the numerator, and in the numerator it is 22 by 14 is equal to 9 squared is 81 minus r2 squared. Now 7 ones are 7 twos are. Now 2 ones are 2 threes are 6. 1 remains. 2 sevens are 14. 2 fours are 8. Now 22 and this. 22 is divisible by 11. So this also you check. 7 and 3 plus 4 again it is 7. So it is divisible by 11. So 11 twos are, 11 threes are 33. 4 remains. So 4 and 4, 44. 11 fours are 44. Now 2 ones are 2, ones are 2, 1 remains, and 2 sevens are 14. So you got here 17. That means 17 is equal to 81 minus r2 squared. That is minus r2 squared. Keep it here only. 17. 81. Bring it this side. It will be minus 81. Now when you subtract, this is minus 11 minus 7. It will be 4. 7 minus 1 is 6 minus r2 squared. Minus minus gets cancelled. So r2 squared will be 64. So r2 is equal to square root of 64. It is 8. So the r2 is what? Inner radius. Inner radius is equal to 8 centimeter. So answer, what they have asked in the answer, the question, it is thickness. So thickness is equal to outer radius minus inner radius. Outer radius is how much? 9. Inner radius you got 8. So the thickness will be 1 centimeter. Hope everyone understood. So volume of the cylindrical pipe is given, length is given, external radius means outer radius is given. They have asked you to find the thickness. So for that, first find out the inner radius. So put the formula, volume of the metallic pipe is equal to volume of the outer cylinder minus the volume of the inner cylinder. Then pi h, take it out, r1 squared minus r2 squared, and find out r2 squared, then r. That is the inner radius. Then subtract the inner radius from the outer radius, you will get the thickness. Is it clear? So that was about the question number 9. Now coming to question number 10 of a worksheet 6. It is the volume of a cylinder is 150 pi cubic centimeter and its height is 6 centimeter. And the areas, find the areas of its total surface and lateral, that is the curved surface. That means TSA and CSA. So that was the area wala, hai na? So first write the solution shape. What is the shape? That is the cylinder. Now write volume, how much it is given? 150 pi cubic centimeter, means centimeter cube. Height is 6 centimeter. They have asked TSA, CSA, but for TSA, CSA we want the radius, which is not given. So first find out the radius. Now volume of the cylinder will be pi r squared h formula. Now put the values. So it is a 150 pi is equal to pi r squared into h. So pi, keep it like that only because it gets cancelled. Now r squared is equal to 150 into pi upon this pi goes to the denominator into 6. Pi and pi gets cancelled. So 6 ones are 6 twos are 12. 3 remains. 3 0 30. 6 5s are 30. So r squared is equal to 25. Therefore r is equal to square root of 25. That is 5 centimeter. That was what? The radius. Now finding that, taking that radius, find out TSA and CSA. So TSA, what is the formula? 2 pi r plus h. So put the values. 2 into 22 by 7, r is 5, bracket 5 plus h is 6. Now no cancellation. So multiply. 2 22s are 44 into, this is 5 into 11 upon 7. So 44 into 55. 5 11s are 55. When you multiply, you will get, it is 2420 divided by 7. So 7, how much are 24? 3s are 21. So 3 remains. So 7, how much are 32? 7 4s are 28. Now 4 remains 40. 7 5s are 35. Means 5 remains. Now 7 7s are 49. 1 remains. Then 0 लेंगे तो 1. So round off करने के वक्त 345.7 centimeter square. Now coming to the CSA, formula is 2 pi RH. So 2 pi RH, put the values 2 into 22 by 7 into R is 5, H is 6. Again it is 22 4s 22 2s 44 into 5 6 30. Means multiply this 0, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13, divide by 7. So 7, how much 13? 7 1s are 7, 8 9 10 11 12 13, means 6 remains. Now 7 9s are 63. So 7 8s are 56. So it will be 6 remaining. So 6 and 0, 60. Again 8s are 56. So put the decimal, take extra 0. 56. So 4 will be remaining. 7, how much are 40? 7 5s are 35. 35 matlab 5 remains. 7 7s are 49. So you will be writing, round off karenge to 188.57 becomes 6 centimeter square. This is CSA. Is it clear? Take care in the calculation part. Okay. Decimals. Decimal point डालो, extra 0 लेते जाओ, 2 decimal में करके 1 decimal में convert करो, round off करने का. Now coming to the last question, worksheet 6, the 11th sum. The curved surface area of a cylindrical pillar is 264 meter square and its volume is 924 meter cube. Find the diameter and the height of the pillar. तो क्या क्या दिया है? CSA दिया है, वॉल्यूम दिया है, रेडियस नहीं दिया, हाइट नहीं दिया, उनको फाइंड आउट करने को बोले हैं. तो इसके लिए क्या करने का? फर्स्ट राइट शेप, that is cylinder. Okay, so first it is CSA is given, curved surface area. CSA is equal to 264 meter square. Volume is 924 meter cube. Now put the values, the formula. So CSA is 2 pi RH is equal to 264 meter square. Volume is pi r squared h. Formula is, the value is 924 meter cube. Now to find out R, what we are going to do is the volume divided by CSA, because in volume it is R squared, in CSA it is R. So to find out R, we have to do this, volume upon CA. So volume, put the formula pi r squared h upon 2 pi r h. So when you open it, pi into r into h upon 2 into pi into r into h. So pi and pi gets cancelled. 1 r and r gets cancelled. H and h gets cancelled. So put the values. Volume is how much? 924, and divide by the CSA, that is 264. Now you got here, what's remaining? R by 2. So R by 2 is equal to 924 upon 264. Now R is equal to 924 upon 264, and this 2, it will go to the numerator. It is in the denominator. When it goes to the right side, it goes to the numerator. Now the division, the cancellation. 2 can cancel. 2 1s are 2, 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now It is a 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 1 remains, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. Now see, 66 is divisible by 11. Now 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So 11 6 are 11 4s are 44. 2 remains, 2 and 2 22. So 11 2s are 22. So 6 1s are 6 7s are. So you got R is equal to 7. So radius is equal to 7 centimeter, but diameter is equal to 2 into radius, that is 2 into 7 is equal to 14 centimeter. So you got the diameter. Now we have to find out the height. So for the height we have to put in one formula. So we will be writing CSA is equal to 2 pi RH. CSA, what is the formula? 264 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into R is how much? 7 into H. Now 7 gets cancelled. So H is equal to 264 into divide by 2 into 22. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 2s. Now 1 and 2 3, 3 minus 3 0, that means 11 में जाएगा. 11 2s are 11 1s are 11, 2 remains, 2 and 2 22, so it is 11 2s are 22. Now 2 1s are 2 6 are. So H is equal to 6 centimeter. So answer is diameter is equal to 14 centimeter and height is equal to 6 centimeter. It is the end of the lesson. The worksheet 6. Is it clear? Hope everyone understood. So here volume and CSA are given and you have to find out both the radius and the diameter, then the height. So for that, divide volume by CSA. Okay? Okay then, bye. Thank you.